Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take high resolution photo in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and go to more button here, and here click on high resolution and take a photo. I am going to take this photo. Okay, this photo resolution will be high compared to the normal photo. Okay, and I open the photo that I took. See here, this is high resolution photo. That is up to 50 megapixel. Okay, so in this way you can easily take high resolution photo in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.